The federal government has commissioned a 300-bed treatment and isolation center at the nation's capital, Abuja. The center was donated by the This Day Media and Technology and Sahara Group. Commissioning the center's secretary to the government of the Federation, Boss Mustapha, lauded the initiative, saying, "The coronavirus pandemic has brought a reawakening for both public and private collaboration in injecting the much-needed investment in the nation's health sector." Mustapha, who is also the chairman of the Presidential Task Force on Covid-19, added that such partnership would encourage a robust synergy in tackling health challenges like Covid-19, which at present had overwhelmed even the best of health systems in the world.
The Presidential Task Force therefore calls on all other corporate bodies and public-spirited individuals to take up the challenge of providing critical support infrastructure in the rural communities as Nigeria has entered community transmission phase of the pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to develop health infrastructure, the Presidential Task Force also wishes to underscore its total commitment to research into a cure for the COVID-19 disease.
Earlier in his remarks, Health Minister Dr. Osagie Ehanire joined the SGF to commend the role of the private sector in containing the spread of COVID-19 in Nigeria, saying, "The gesture has saved the nation's health sector the anxiety of a looming bed shortages."
During a pandemic like the COVID-19, the high volume of casualties produced within a short time has challenged even the most established health systems in the world by occasioning embarrassing shortages of equipment, bed spaces, and treatment facilities. On global television screens, we have seen otherwise resilient health systems collapse before our eyes. Providing facilities and bed space for isolation and treatment overnight became some of the most vital measures that could be taken to support the health system in infection prevention and control.
In Nigeria, our economy is exposed to triple shocks: a supply shock, a demand shock, and revenue shock. Permit me to state that we are currently faced with a public health and economic crisis of unprecedented proportions, driven primarily by the 55% drop in crude oil prices between January and May 2020. This unparalleled shock requires that the federal and state governments, along with organized private sector, work together to address these challenges in order to preserve lives and restore economic activity and reset the economy of our dear country.
The treatment center, located in the central business district of Abuja, is fitted with foundation wards, ICU center complete with ventilators, X-ray and dialysis, 54 gene testing mobile laboratory with scalable ability to perform 200 to 1,000 tests per day, among other facilities. CNN News.